Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I'm gonna make a really glossy slime. Sorry, it's gonna be silver, and of course you can do it with any kind, but I prefer silver. And the glue is gonna be clear glue, because clear glue always gives more of that glossy look. You're gonna need, this is optional. You can put glitter. This is also optional if you can do silver. And to make it really glossy, you're going to use some lotion. And of course, you're going to need activator, a bowl, and a mixing stick. So let's get started. And you're also going to need a little water. So you're going to pour that in. So the first thing is you're going to pour a little bit of water into your bowl. So you're not going to need a lot. Like here. I think you guys can see it. Now we're going to add the clear glue. And I haven't done it. I decided to make a slime video today because I haven't made lots of this, because I haven't made a slime video in a while. So, might as well. Now we're going to mix the glue and the water together. It's kind of hard to see the water, so you never know when you're... Okay, so mine's all mixed together. Now you're going to add your coloring. In this case, I'm using... Whoa! Why is it like greenish? Let's mix that. Why is it green? Why is this thing green? Oh, never mind. Oh, it just looked like green. It's gray now. It looked green for a second. It's like, what? I'm getting green? No, it's oh. Okay, yeah, so after you mix in your paint, you can mix all your other add-ins. So I'm gonna put the glitter in. I'm trying to look if I can put anything else. What? Let's go. Okay, yeah. And then some silver. Not gonna use a lot. Hold on. Here's gold. You can use gold too. Yeah, I just decided to make gold. So there we go. There's my slime. Now I'm gonna mix it all together. It's gonna look so nice and really glossy. So it's nice and shiny. Trying to get all that glitter off. Okay, so now I'm going to start adding our activator. The jiggly. So it's jiggly, as you can see. Whoa! It's kind of clumping together. Comment down below if when you make slime, does your shoulders hurt while you're mixing? Because this is the most, you have to wait, because you have to add a lot of activator, because it's not going well. Oh, and the lotion's gonna make it a little soft. So we're gonna start adding that at the end. Or like near the end. God, this thing is so heavy. Hi! Oh. Now it's really starting to get together. Looks kind of bluish and greenish to me. Just a little bit, but it's actually gray. Isn't that weird, guys? It looks like green, but it is actually gray. So it's really weird. I don't know why it's doing that. Okay. Now I just have to make it not sticky, because it's all clumping together now. You guys can see my music stand right there. I might use that in the near future. Maybe. It's kind of like, it has a weird texture now. It's kind of sticky, but then not sticky. It's really weird. Let's flip it. So I think now I'm going to pour this on the table. And we're going to start kneading it from here. It looks so shiny. A little bit more activator. It's really cool. So I'm just kneading it now. It's a good glossy consistency. So I'm shining it up to the light. Look how shiny this is. The most glossiest slime. Now we can add our lotion. Get even more. It's good enough. And we're gonna lather it all over the slime. It's gonna make it smell like lavender. Ooh, my hands are getting moisturized too by this. Ooh. Oh, it's kind of sticky now. I'm gonna add a little bit more activator. Rub that in. Ooh. Ooh, it smells like lavender. It smells so good. Yeah, so I'm using the lavender. This aromatherapy, not sponsored. Yeah. Woo! I'm gonna try and get most of the slime out from here. So I can add it to the slime. That's the most I can probably get. Ooh. It's really soft because the lotion. See the sticky test? Nope. Okay, maybe it's a little kind of sticky. Okay, that's good. I just rub it in. And then you flip it, and then you flip it, and then you mix. So I'm going to get the container now. So it'll take 1 week for the slime to clear up, make it nice and clear. And then you can see everything. I'm going to pack this away. And that's it for today's video. Like, comment, and subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you get notified whenever I post a new video. And yeah, that's a slime. Hope you guys like this video. Bye!